Looking to create your dream tiny home or add an ADU to your space? In this video, we'll take a look at 18 incredible tiny house kits and ADUs you can buy right now on Etsy and eBay. From budget-friendly DIY builds to stylish prefab designs, these options are perfect for guest houses, home offices, or cozy retreats. Stick around, you might just find the home of your dreams. Number 1. Prefab Modern Tiny House by MoDPADZShop. Transform your space with our fully customizable advanced cabins, available in 20-foot, 30-foot, and 40-foot sizes. Made from durable sandwich panels and galvanized steel, these modern cabins are pre-installed in the factory, including electrical systems tailored to local standards, saving time and labor costs. Create your dream layout by combining, stacking, or adding terraces for added functionality. Perfect for offices, coffee shops, pool houses, B&Bs, and more. These cabins offer a sleek design with customizable colors and a lifespan of up to 20 years. Enjoy a hassle-free turnkey solution that's ready to use upon delivery. The listed price starts at $27,650 and includes local taxes where applicable. Number 2. Double Villa Cabin by MoDPADZShop. Price starts at $34,995. The MoDPADZ 20-foot double villa offers a sleek, modern, and eco-friendly living solution, combining two 20-foot modular units into a spacious 320-square-foot home. With large glass panels for natural light, customizable layouts, and durable 8-inch sandwich walls for excellent insulation, this prefabricated home is ideal for various uses like vacation homes, guest houses, or permanent residences. It comes pre-installed with electrical systems and offers customizable interior and exterior finishes. Number 3. Capsule House by Let's Crave. Price starts at $47,000. This European-style steel-structured home offers a 36.68 square meters of space, featuring one bedroom, a kitchen, and a bathroom, perfect for 2 to 4 people. Built with high-quality galvanized steel and double insulating glass, it provides durability, energy efficiency, and noise reduction. Customizable colors and a sturdy design make it ideal for use as a house or hotel. The home includes certified water and electrical systems, UV-resistant walls, and a heat-insulating entrance door. Number 4. Colorado 26-foot custom container. Price starts at $18,000. This custom shipping container is a versatile space featuring a cedar exterior, finished interior walls, ceiling fans, and a 20-foot solar-powered drop-down deck. Fully wired for on-grid power, it's perfect for uses like a glamping or camping rental, backyard office, art studio, or even a mother-in-law suite with a simple toilet and sink add-on. Number 5. Backyard Cabin Studio by Wakethetree. Price starts at $50,000. This handcrafted accessory dwelling unit, or ADU, is a true labor of love, designed with incredible attention to detail and built using high-quality, sustainable materials. The structure features rot-resistant locust timbers, Shusugi band-charred hemlock siding, a cedar shingle roof, and energy-efficient dual-pane windows. Inside, you'll find reclaimed vintage white oak flooring, custom cabinetry, and bespoke fixtures crafted from locally sourced materials. Equipped with modern amenities like a mini-split HVAC system, composting toilet, and custom plumbing and electrical systems. Number 6. 40-foot container house by Let's Crave. Price starts at $49,600. This expandable 40-foot mobile house is a game-changer for modern living, offering over 3 times the original space when unfolded, expanding to 581 square feet. But with a durable, galvanized steel frame, it's designed for 3 to 6 people, providing a spacious and comfortable interior. Perfect for reducing housing and transportation costs. The foldable design is compact for shipping, but transforms into a fully functional home with a living hall and premium materials. Ideal for those seeking convenience, mobility, and affordability in one innovative package. Number 7. Prefab Capsule House by Let's Crave. Price starts at $48,350. This European prefabricated home offers 37 square meters of durable, high-quality living space, perfect for use as a house or hotel. Built with a galvanized steel frame and advanced insulation materials like polyurethane and XPS board, it ensures excellent heat retention, moisture resistance, and energy efficiency. With customizable water, electrical, and floor heating systems tailored to global standards, this home provides comfort, eco-friendliness, and long-lasting durability. This capsule house is available in custom colors and backed by a 1-year warranty. Number 8. Container Home by MadeByKeagan. Starts at $40,000. This custom container conversion is a versatile and eco-friendly solution made from materials like cedar, steel, wood, and corten steel. Fully customizable and crafted with upcycled materials, it's perfect for home offices, gyms, holiday rentals, and more. Designed to suit your needs, this sustainable option combines style, durability, and functionality for modern living. Number 9. E-Lodge by escapesuk. Price starts at $17,735. The E-Lodge modular buildings are customizable, versatile, and perfect for uses like offices, art studios, guest rooms, or home businesses. Starting at 3.5 by 2.2 meters, these fully insulated, weatherproof units feature a curved design for efficient air circulation and comfort all year round. Built with sustainable, premium materials, they include plug-and-play electrics, double glazing, a digital heater, and a durable steel roof with a 40-year warranty. No planning permission is needed for units under 2.5 meters tall. Delivered and installed nationwide in just 2 days. International options available. Number 10. 20-foot shipping container tiny home. Price starts at $50,000. This custom 20-foot shipping container house is crafted locally in Prescott, Arizona by an experienced craftsman and a top designer. This eco-friendly, fully insulated home includes a cozy living area with custom cabinetry, a stylish kitchenette, and a modern bathroom with space-efficient design. With help navigating permits and zoning and an on-site consultation anywhere in the U.S., this process is made simple. Pay $15,000 to start, and your home will be completed in 90 days, with delivery available nationwide for an additional fee. Number 11. Container House by KpopAndReading. Price starts at $75,000. This 320 square foot container home in Kansas offers 8-foot ceilings, laminate flooring, a tiled shower, a 40-gallon electric water heater, and PTAC heating and cooling for year-round comfort. Priced at $75,000, but negotiable. Buyers can arrange their own shipping or pay a delivery fee. Perfect for a cozy, modern living space. Number 12. Artemis Pod by Landscamper. Starts at $7,678. Introducing the Artemis series, inspired by the moon base of the Artemis project, combining luxury and functionality for prime accommodations. Choose between the Artemis Dome, a cozy 2-person lodge with panoramic views, or the larger Artemis Pod, perfect for spacious living. Built with eco-friendly plywood, galvanized steel, and flame-retardant PVDF canvas. These durable lodges withstand extreme weather, including 68-mile-per-hour winds and heavy snow. Easy to assemble in a day with a flat base, they're perfect for any landscape and offer flexibility to relocate. Sizes range from 211 to 633 square feet, with a 10-year lifespan and a 3-year warranty. Number 13. Expandable Insulated Tiny House by TMSHomeDecor. Starts at $13,000. This 20-foot by 16-foot expandable mobile shed is a versatile solution for storage, tiny homes, offices, or creative spaces. Made from durable galvanized steel with EPS insulation, it offers 320 square feet of weather-resistant, energy-efficient space. Featuring 4 windows for natural light and ventilation, a lockable anti-theft door, and easy assembly on a flat surface. It provides 2,560 cubic feet of secure, adaptable storage with a design that's built to last. Perfect for multiple uses and easy to transport and install. Number 14. Glamping Pod by Swantech Timber. Starts at $24,000. This cozy glamping pod measures 3.2 meters wide by 4.8 meters deep with a 1.2 meter veranda, and comes fully equipped with a standard package plus upgrades like full electrics, LED lights, and UPVC windows and doors. Made with treated timber and cladding for a natural look and durability, it resists rot and decay. Perfect for leisure use, but delivery is not included in the price. Number 15. Echo Flat Pack Retreat Cabin by Offgrid Dwellings. Price starts at $42,495. The Echo Prefabricated Cabin is a compact 170 square foot retreat, perfect for nature getaways, off-grid living, or campground rentals. Built with prefabricated panels for fast assembly and easy installation, it's also great as a guest room, Airbnb rental, or mountain retreat. Each cabin comes with walls, roofing, insulation, durable windows, interior and exterior materials, and basic wiring, 100 volts to 240 volts. Free shipping is included, but a forklift is required for unloading. Ideal for anyone looking for a quick, cozy, and versatile living space. Number 16. Geneva Flat Pack Garden Room by Offgrid Dwellings. Price starts at $24,995. The Geneva Flat Pack unit is a versatile, easy-to-assemble solution for extra space, perfect as a playroom, home office, spare bedroom, or art studio. With prefabricated panels made in our factory for superior quality and insulation, this unit offers quick on-site assembly in just one day using basic tools. It measures 8.5 feet long, 8.2 feet wide, and 9.2 feet tall, weighing 2,100 pounds, and can accommodate 100 to 240 volt electrical setup. Delivered neatly in a 20-foot container, it's customizable for your needs, including upgrades like a rooftop deck. Simple, functional, and ready to use. Number 17. 20-foot by 12-foot tiny house shell kit listed in eBay. Price starts at $26,000. The 20-foot by 12-foot DIY snap and lock tiny home shell kit is an easy-to-assemble, energy-efficient solution for creating a custom tiny home. Made from durable structural insulated panels with EPS foam insulation, it offers excellent thermal performance and quick assembly, typically in 1 to 2 days with basic building skills. The kit includes 4-inch wall panels, 6-inch slant roof panels, a standard front door, and all necessary fasteners. But windows are not included, allowing you to customize them locally. Designed to save time, money, and energy, this 240 square foot shell is perfect for building your unique space. Number 18. Solar Prefab Tiny Home listing in eBay. $27,999. This 290 square foot portable modular home is a turnkey solution with a bathroom, kitchen, and multifunctional living area. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials, it offers excellent insulation, earthquake resistance, and protection against wind and snow. Stylish finishes, high-performance flooring, and features like an electric skylight, adjustable privacy curtains, and automized glass enhance comfort and convenience. Number 19. Rose 16 by 10 tiny house listing on eBay. Price starts at $18,800. Create your dream 2-bedroom retreat with this DIY wooden house. crafted from premium Russian pine for durability and natural charm. This 240 square foot prefabricated home is easy to assemble, highly customizable, and eco-friendly, offering energy efficiency and affordability. It features a spacious layout, a modern kitchen with ample storage, and a stylish bathroom with quality fixtures. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. What do you think? Would you consider buying a tiny house online? Or do you prefer to see them in person? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. See you next time.